Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the reactions of thiazole. So what is this thiazole? This thiazole, it is a pale yellow color liquid which is having a characteristic iodine like odor. Let us see the structure of this thiazole. See, it is a 5-member ring with two different heteroatoms. Normally, imidazole, pyrazole, these are all having the same heteroatom. That is, nitrogen will be present in that one. This thiazole is having the two different heteroatoms. That is, sulfur and nitrogen are present in this structure of thiazole. So, according to the nomenclature, we have to give the numbering, which is having the atom, which is having the highest atomic number, will get the first preference, followed by the next one. So, according to that, we are giving the first numbering to the sulfur number 1. So, 1, 2, 3. So, it should not be anti-clockwise. It should not be clockwise because the another one heteroatom is present. That should be getting the least numbering. So, it should be anti-clockwise, not in clockwise direction. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, it is having the molecular formula of C3H3NS. This is the molecular formula of thiazole. C3H3NS is the molecular formula of thiazole. Let us see the reactions of thiazole. Thiazole and bromination. So, this is the structure of bromination, which thiazole, which on bromination, that is on treatment with the bromine, it will give 5-bromo-thiazole. That is the fifth position. Bromine will be added in the elimination of hydrogen bromine. So, thiazole on bromination with the bromine, it will give 5-bromo-thiazole with the elimination of hydrogen bromine. Then, sulfonation. This sulfonation reaction will be carried out in presence of nitric acid with sulfuric acid. That is, in fourth position, SO3H will be added. So, H2SO4, if we are adding, SO3H position group will be added to the fifth position with the elimination of water molecule. Water molecule will be eliminated. So, it will give the thiazole and sulfonation with the sulfuric acid in presence of nitric acid will give thiazole 5 sulfonic acid with the elimination of water molecule. Next reaction will be iodination. This thiazole and treatment with the iodine. It will give, in second position iodine will be added, and fourth position as well as fifth position iodine will be added. So thiazole and iodination, it will give 2,4,5 triiodothiazole with the elimination of 3 molecules of hydrogen iodide will be eliminated. That is, thiazole plus 3iodine will give 2,4,5 triiodothiazole plus 3HI. 3 molecules of hydrogen iodide will be eliminated. Then the same thiazole on treatment with the sodamide, that is NaNH2, it will give 2 amino, second position amino group will be added. So it will give 2 amino thiazole with the elimination of sodium hydride. NaNH will be eliminated. So thiazole on treatment with the sodamide, it will give 2 amino thiazole plus NaH. The next reaction will be treatment with the N-butyl lithium. Thiazole and treatment with the N-butyl lithium, that is C4H9Li. Li will be attached here. Then N-butane, one hydrogen will be added to this butyl group, so it will be converted to N-butane. So thiazole and treatment with the N-butyl lithium, it will give 2 lithium thiazole with the elimination of N-butane, C4H. Let us see the recap of these reactions. So, thiazole on bromination, it will give 5-bromo-thiazole, and on sulfonation, this sulfonation reaction will be carried out in presence of nitric acid. It will give thiazole 5-sulfonic acid with the elimination of water molecule. Then iodination, thiazole on iodination with the iodine, 3 molecules of iodine will react with the thiazole will give 2,4,5 triiodothiazole with the elimination of hydrogen iodide. Then thiazole on treatment with the sodamide, that is the reaction with the NaNH2, it will give second position amino group will be attached. So 2 amino diazole will be formed with the elimination of sodium iodide. Then on treatment with the N-butyl lithium, that is diazole, on treatment with the N-butyl lithium, it will give 2-lithiothiazole with the elimination of N-butane. These are all the reactions of diazole.